children, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Today we will continue our last section 5.6, changing the number of components. Okay, all of you take your science learners book, page number 86, topic 5.6, changing the number of components. Now look at the first page. Here you can see activity 5.6. okay, what is this? Making a circuit with more components. Okay, how we can make the components, make the circuit using one of the bulbs as shown in this diagram. Okay, one bulb, one cell, one switch. Okay, a closed switch, and observe the bulb. Predict what would happen if you add one more bulb in the bulb holder to the circuit. If you add one more bulb here, what will happen? Test your prediction. Did the bulb shine more brightly or less brightly? When you added a second bulb, what happened? If you add one more bulb here, what happened to the bulbs? It will glow more or less? Yes, it will glow very less. Okay, next, look at the next activity. 5.6b. okay, discussing and planning your investigation. Here are two questions for you to test. Okay, if you remove the bulb from a circuit with two 1.5 volt cells joined to make a 3 volt battery and 3 bulbs, will the bulbs glow more brightly or less brightly? If you remove a bulb from a circuit with two 1.5 cells, that means 3 volt cells joined to make 3 volt battery and 3 bulbs, will the bulbs glow more brightly or less brightly? Okay, write down the answers. Think about it and write down the answers. Next question. If you add a third 1.5 cell to the same circuit you use in one, will the two bulbs glow more brightly or less brightly? Okay, if you add one more 1.5 volt cell to the same circuit, okay, will the two bulbs glow more brightly or less brightly? This also think about it and write down the answer in the notebook. Now turn to next page. Here are some questions. First question. Draw a circuit diagram for each of the circuit you made in activity 5.b. Okay, this you have to do. Draw a circuit diagram from the activity 5.6b. Okay, in the notebook. And next question. Look at the circuit A and circuit B. Predict in which circuit the bulb will be brighter. Which bulbs are brighter? Look at the circuit diagram. Circuit A or circuit B? Which one is brighter more? What about the cells? Look at the cells. Here is 2 cells. Here is 3 cells. Same number of bulb. Same number of bulb. One closed switch. One closed switch. Okay, so we know that of course this diagram, this circuit will bright more because here is 3 battery sharing 2 bulb, but here is 2 battery sharing 2 bulb. Okay, so this is normal brightness, this is more brightness. Okay, so what we learned from this topic: removing or adding bulb from a circuit causes them to glow more or less brightly. Adding or removing cells used in a circuit causes bulb to glow more or less brightly. If you are removing the bulbs from a circuit, the another bulbs glow very more brightly. But if you adding the bulb, it will less brightly. Here adding the cell, the bulb will more brightly. If you removing the cell, the bulb will less brightly. And here is the question talk about. Okay, if a circuit does not work, what must you check? That we discussed in the video. So you have to listen the videos carefully, the topic. Okay, you have to do your works and take the activity book, page number 59. Okay, exercise 5.6, change the number of components. Here are some questions. Here are around 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 questions are there. You have to read these questions very well and find out the answers. Okay, then turn the next page. Here is the another questions. In which circuit will the bulbs be brightest? Okay, these questions are very easy. You have to do. Here you have to draw a circuit diagram. Okay, this 3 circuit diagram you have to draw here. Okay, so you have to do your works properly. Okay, every day update your topics. If you have any doubt, ask me in WhatsApp group. Okay, personal WhatsApp group you have to ask me. And now I believe that you will understand this all topic very well. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Bye bye.